Hello family and friends. Today this video is specifically to Jamaicans all over the world. I just want to ask you to support the small business owners in your community. We have some talented Jamaican people that are stepping out from the rat race and doing something for themselves by starting their own companies. These are people displaying true leadership. Make sure you support their business, whether it be online or the physical location or events that they are promoting. We can rebuild Jamaica by supporting our own talent. We are so quick to support a foreign company than to support our own. Our best resource is our Jamaican people. If you don't believe me, ask China. A few years ago, they were fighting over Goat Island in Jamaica so that they could have a Chinese-based business hub at a strategic location. A location where they could get access to 3.5 million people who speak English and beside a major port that connects the Western world. Our ports are right at the heart of North, Central, and South America. People, wake up and realize how important Jamaica and her resources are. Realize the power of the Jamaican human resource. Support your own. Support the small business owners in your community wherever you live. Support Jamaican businesses wherever they are in the world because you know they are sending some money home by remittance. And a lot of people don't realize that that is the real backbone of the Jamaican economy right now. So, wherever you are, please support Jamaican businesses and support all the little startups in your communities because those are the people who will give back to the community. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video.